welcome back to my channel. Today you can see I am all whited out with foundation and concealer once again because we're doing another spooky video today. Today's video, as you can see from the title, is a Sugar Skull Halloween tutorial. My goal for these spooky videos is to basically take the really hard Halloween makeup looks that you see on YouTube and on Pinterest or wherever else that you're finding these looks and simplify them and actually make them pretty doable for the average person. I am the average person. I'm not a makeup artist. I don't practice these kind of crazy looks all the time. I actually haven't even practiced the one that I'm about to do, but I'm feeling pretty confident that I can simplify it and make it easy enough for anybody to do for a Halloween party this year in about, hopefully, just 20 minutes. So you don't have to spend hours in front of a mirror trying to do this kind of look for your Halloween costume. Before we get started today, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let me know in the comments what you think. I love getting feedback from you guys on these videos, and of course let me know what you're going to be for Halloween. If you're going to do a sugar skull look, let me know if you're going to use this tutorial to guide your makeup. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So as I said before, I've already got all my foundation and concealer on. I did a very white look today, very pale, nothing crazy. Today, instead of using face paint, because I don't have face paint and I don't need it right now for my Halloween looks that I'm gonna do, I am gonna get creative with liquid lipsticks again. That's what I did last week. I used liquid lipstick as eyeshadow. This week I'm going to use it as like a face paint. Today for my Sugar Skull look, I'm going to use a lot of black liquid lipstick, and all of these are NYX Liquid Suede. And then I'm also going to be using this fun blue one as well. Now to do my contour, I'm not usually a fan of liquid contouring, but today it'll work out perfect. I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a little sample size of their little, like, I don't know if it's a foundation stick or contour stick. If it's foundation stick, obviously it's too dark for me, but I can use it to contour. I'm just going to be blending this like crazy now. And I want to pull this shade down a little bit. So for this Sugar Skull look, I'm going to have one eye be kind of more normal. It's going to be a very glamorous eye. And then this eye is going to be like solid black circle. And then I'm just going to go ham, kind of decorating my face with the Sugar Skull look. I'm just gonna speed right through this for you guys so you can see every part of what I'm doing, and just keep in mind I'm using liquid lipsticks for all the paint colors, and I'll kind of show you the rest of the products as we go through. And otherwise I don't know how to explain what I'm doing other than I'm just decorating my face like a sugar skull. So watch and enjoy.
I need to get my head straight and remember how to play this game. I've held off far too long. something right hidden in your eyes. Truth be told, I may have let you hang around too long and be a thorn in my side. So for now.
So you're probably wondering, what happened between the beginning of this and now? What happened is my video stopped recording and I didn't know it, and I finished the tutorial without recording it. So my face is done like this. Kind of took a little while. It probably took about 30 minutes to get this done. Like, I gotta go take all of this off and run some errands and see people and stuff, so I don't have time to take it all off and refilm the tutorial again. So this is it. That's the video. Oh my god, I'm so upset. I prefer treats over tricks at Halloween. I don't know about you, but this was a dirty trick. I guess the best that I can do is show you what I did and explain verbally what happened, everything that you missed. So let's do that really quick, and hopefully my camera keeps recording. Obviously, as you can see, this is how things turned out. I used a white eyeliner for the little spider web down here and a little highlight under the brow. I used these two liquid lipsticks for the main look. So I did black liquid lipstick all around my eye except for this glittery lid, and then circles all around with the liquid lipstick, and then let that dry, and then filled in the gaps with the blue circles all around as well. Little mascara, little glitter, bada bing, bada boom. And then I did these kind of like stitches with liquid eyeliner on my forehead, cheeks, and on the lips, all with liquid liner. So I suggest getting a white liner and a little face paint to do this look. But otherwise, like, the liquid liner that I had already worked perfectly for the stitches, and it's like a waterproof stay all day liner, so it's gonna stay on there really good, like it's not coming off. And then I just did like a nude lipstick on my lips. I guess you get to see the finished product and let me know what you think of this look, and do I look like a sugar skull or Day of the Dead or whatever you want to call this sort of look. Next week I'm planning on doing a neon skull tutorial. I've seen this look a lot lately from various people. I'm not sure where it originated from, but I'll find out. So stay tuned for next week's video, and thank you guys so much for being here through the ups and downs of an amateur YouTuber trying to just do the best that she can. I should probably go, but thank you guys so much for being here, and let me know in the comments what you think of this completed look, even though you didn't get to see how we got here. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Maybe not. Probably.